Hi friends, I want to give you some feedback on the quiz that you took last week. I think it was on Wednesday, the 4th. For this quiz, you had to put your first and last name. If you didn't put your first and last name, then I would have to reach out to your parents and tell them that you didn't take the quiz at all. Because if you don't put your name, I won't know if you took it. So it's really, really important that you're putting your name there. Then you put your original homeroom teacher, and you guys did an awesome job at these first 3 questions. You found that 10 ones is the same as 1 10. You found that 10 tens is the same as 100. And you found that 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. Then most of you chose option 3 for 348. I can see that this is 348 because I see 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 8 ones. Now the next few questions were a little bit trickier. It asked you from 348 how many more ones to get to 10. Almost everybody, or to make a 10. Almost everybody said 2. Great job. 348, 349, 350. That's my next group of 10. It took 2 more ones. But for the next couple of questions, some friends got a little confused. So let's go over it. It says from 350, how many more tens to make 100? So I've created 350 here, and I want to remember what my question is. A lot of people said, oh, well, it's 350, and I know I need 50 more to make my next 100 of 400. But the question wasn't asking you how many ones. It was asking you how many groups of 10 you needed. So if I'm adding groups of 10 to get to my next 100, which would be 400, I would add 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10, 5 groups of 10. So my actually answer would be 5, or 5 tens. If you said 50, it would feel kind of confusing because you might have meant 50 groups of 10, and I don't even have that many place value blocks. Now let's look at the next question. It says from 400, how many more hundreds to make 1,000? Well, we already know that there are 10 hundreds to make 1,000. So let's look again here, and I've got my 400 here, and I need to know how many I need to make 1,000. Now remember, it's not asking me how many, like 600. It's asking me how many hundreds. So if you wrote 600, which a lot of you did, that does make 1,000, but the question was asking how many hundreds. So let's add 600 and count our hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hundreds. So 6 would have been your answer there. You guys did such a great job with that quiz. If you think that you need to go back and fix some of the problems that you got wrong, I'll link the same quiz in this video. Have fun!